Ever wondered how teeth-whitening pens are made? Welcome to a journey into the intriguing process behind these handy little tools that help us maintain our pearly whites. Teeth-whitening pens, a staple in many beauty routines, are designed to brighten our smiles. They are compact, portable, and offer an easy solution to tackle discoloration and stains that our teeth may accumulate from daily life. These pens are packed with ingredients that are safe for our oral health and effective in whitening our teeth. They are an excellent choice for those who wish to enhance their smiles without the time commitment and cost of professional treatments. Additionally, they provide an option for touch-ups between dental visits or whitening treatments. The benefits of teeth whitening pens are numerous. They are convenient, affordable, easy to use, and most importantly, they deliver results. So, if you've been curious about how these smile-enhancing tools are created, you're in for a treat. So let's delve into the fascinating world of teeth whitening pens creation. The secret behind those pearly white smiles lies in the ingredients used. This is where the true magic begins. Allow me to introduce you to the key players that make up a teeth whitening pen. The star of the show is hydrogen peroxide, or its cousin, carbamide peroxide. They're the primary active ingredients in most teeth whitening products. These peroxides break down into oxygen molecules when applied to the teeth, penetrating the porous surface of the enamel to break apart dental stains. This bleaching process results in a brighter, whiter smile. Next in line, we have glycerin. Glycerin is a humectant, which means it helps retain moisture. In a teeth whitening pen, it ensures that the peroxide doesn't dry out too quickly, allowing the active ingredient ample time to work its magic. Carbomer is another crucial ingredient. It's a type of polymer that controls the viscosity of the gel, making sure it's not too runny or too thick. It gives the gel the perfect consistency to be easily applied to the teeth and stay there. Last but not least, we have the humble peppermint oil. It's not just there to make the product taste good. Peppermint oil has antimicrobial properties, which can help keep your mouth clean and fresh while you're whitening your teeth. These ingredients combine to form the magic potion that brightens your smile. And now that we've demystified the ingredients, let's move on to the manufacturing process, where the magic truly comes to life. Now, let's walk through the step-by-step process of creating teeth whitening pens. Our journey begins with the mixing of ingredients. The process is akin to crafting a perfect symphony, where each ingredient plays its part to create the final masterpiece. The first on our list is hydrogen peroxide, known for its bleaching properties. This is followed by the addition of carbomer, which acts as a thickening agent to give the gel its consistency. Next, we have sodium hydroxide, which adjusts the pH level of the mixture. This is followed by the introduction of flavoring agents, for that minty freshness we all love. The last to join this mix is the preservative, which ensures the longevity of the product. Once all the ingredients are in, the mixture is stirred continuously until it achieves the desired consistency. This step is crucial, as it ensures all the ingredients are well blended, creating a smooth, uniform gel. Now we move on to the filling process. This is where our teeth whitening gel finds its new home, the pen applicator. A machine fills each pen with the precise amount of gel, ensuring consistency across all products. Hygiene and quality control are paramount during this stage, as any contamination can affect the effectiveness of the product. After the filling process, each pen is sealed to prevent any leakage. Once sealed, the pen is then inserted into its casing, completing the assembly process. The final stage of our journey is packaging. Each teeth whitening pen is carefully placed into its packaging, ready to be shipped out to stores and online platforms. Throughout this process, quality control is key. It ensures that each teeth whitening pen that leaves the factory is of the highest quality, ready to give users that bright, confident smile they desire. And there you have it, a teeth whitening pen ready to work its magic. It's not just about making the pens, it's also about making sure they work. And to ensure they do, each teeth whitening pen undergoes thorough testing for both effectiveness and safety. In the fascinating world of beauty products, quality assurance is a critical step. Each pen is assessed for its ability to deliver the promised shade of white in a safe, non-damaging manner. We're not just looking for a dazzling smile here, we're also ensuring that your oral health isn't compromised. These products must comply with a myriad of regulations and standards. This includes meeting the stringent guidelines set by health and safety organizations worldwide. It's a rigorous process, but it's necessary to ensure that what you're using is not only effective but also safe. So remember, behind every teeth whitening pen you use, There's a team of dedicated professionals making sure it delivers. Only after rigorous testing does a teeth-whitening pen make its way to your home. So, that's the journey of a teeth-whitening pen from the factory to your home. It's quite a fascinating process, isn't it? The crafting of a teeth-whitening pen involves numerous steps, each one crucial for ensuring the final product is effective and safe. We start with the ingredients, the heart of the product. They include a bleaching agent, usually hydrogen peroxide, and other components that help to preserve the mixture and enhance its application. All these ingredients are carefully selected and mixed to ensure they work together perfectly to brighten your smile. Then we move on to the manufacturing process, where precision is key. The mixture is filled into the pens, ensuring no air bubbles are trapped. The pens are then sealed to maintain the freshness and efficacy of the product. Quality assurance is another vital stage in the journey. Each pen undergoes rigorous testing to ensure it meets the necessary standards and is safe for use. This step is important because it ensures that when you apply the pen, you can be confident in its quality and effectiveness. The benefits of using teeth-whitening pens are numerous. They are convenient, easy to use, and can provide quick results. Moreover, they allow you to maintain your dental hygiene and brighten your smile from the comfort of your home. Next time you flash your bright smile, remember the journey your teeth-whitening pen took to reach you.